I have one question. That's why I have started recording. Like I have heard about Punjabi people. Many Punjabi people, you can say, majority of Punjabi people, they want to go to Canada, Australia. So, what is the reason behind this? Why they want to go to Canada and Australia and abroad? There is any reason behind this? I have heard
I
about
don't.
many Punjabi people.
I don't know. Seriously, maybe like they get visa easily from uh, Canada for Canada, and second thing, like there are a lot of Punjabi people living over there.
Yeah,
Yeah, there are a lot of Punjabi people who's living there, and that's why that is a quite easy for them who want to go abroad. So that's
yeah,
why they
because
prefer to live there, and they uh, try to work there, try to do something different in their life. Yeah.
yeah, because I
And
have talked,
okay.
I have talked with many Punjabi people. They said to me, I'm preparing to IELTS exam and I want to go to Canada to job purpose and in order to settle. So yeah, many
Mhm.
Punjabi people they want to go abroad. Yeah, Canada. Many Punjabi people
Canada and
live in Canada,
Australia.
Australia,
Canada
Canada.
and Australia.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So would you like to also go to Canada, Australia in future? Do you have any plan?
I
Okay.
love in Punjab. I love to be live in Punjab. Seriously. I love
Okay.
my city. I don't want to go out. Yeah, if I get chance to go out, then I would definitely go out for visiting
So in
purpose.
which
Okay.
part? In which part do you live in Punjab? What's your district name?
Patiala.
Patiala. So you have completed your graduation in Hindi literature.
Mhm.
Okay, so you teach Hindi language in school?
No, I'm not teaching.
Okay. So apart from learning English, what are you doing? You are doing something nowadays apart from learning English language.
Nowadays, I'm not doing anything extra. I'm focusing on my communication skills. That's it.
Okay. So what do you want to be in your life after learning English? What do you want to do in your life? You want to do something in your life because of which
Okay.
you are learning English language. There is any reason behind this?
Actually, I don't have any specific reason, but yeah, if I become good English speaker, then I would love to teach people, and I would love to teach my kids as well, future kids.
Okay, after
Yeah,
learning English, you want to teach to your children.
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so I would love to know about you.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah, my name is Mohammad Aslam. I am from Ranchi, Jharkhand, and I am a graphic designer. I work in a company, and yeah, this day I'm also learning English language, and I'm working on my communication skill. And if you talk about my hobbies, so I like to play cricket and football. So that's all about me, ma'am. It was my short introduction.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, great,
And now
great.
I'm also running YouTube channel. I'm also running YouTube channel where I upload conversation video. Actually, I have
Mm-hmm,
just started my YouTube channel. You can say
mm-hmm,
20 days ago, I created my YouTube channel.
mm-hmm,
And actually, actually, I have created this YouTube channel for those people who are learning English language and who are a beginner and they want to learn English language. So for that people,
mm-hmm,
I have created this YouTube channel. Yeah.
mm-hmm. Do you want to teach them?
Yeah, in future, actually, I am still learning English language. So after completed my journey, definitely I will teach them. And in future, yeah, I want to teach for those people who lives in village area and they are
Mm-hmm.
curious to learn English. So yeah, for that people, I want to teach them.
Okay, great thought.
So you live in village or city, ma'am? Where do you live?
I am living in city area,
Okay,
not
city
much
area.
city area, moderate area, you can say. Not a village area, not a city area. I'm
Okay,
in the
you told
middle.
me. Okay, you told me, but I forget. Where are you from, ma'am? Which city do you
Punjab,
belong?
Punjab, Punjab.
You live in Punjab. So your mother tongue is Punjabi.
Yeah,
Okay, so how many language can you speak apart from your Punjabi language, except your Punjabi language? How many language can you
three
speak and
language,
can you understand?
three
Three
languages:
languages.
Punjabi, Hindi, Bhojpuri, a little bit Bhojpuri, and English now.
Okay, so how did you learn Bhojpuri language? Because Bhojpuri, you can say Bhojpuri language is spoken in Ranchi, in Bihar. So how did you
Bihar
learn
and
Bhojpuri
UP,
language?
I guess. Because
Yeah, UP
I am
people
fond of
also
I
speak
am fond of
Bhojpuri.
some Bhojpuri songs, item songs. So that's how I have learned.
So I think you are interested to
No,
learn language.
no, I am not interested to learn languages. I am fond of learning things. Okay, which I'm think. Okay, that which I find okay something is interesting. I should learn about it. After that, I start learning. But
Okay.
if you talk about languages, I'm not fond of learning languages.
Okay. So your all education happened in Punjabi medium school. You studied in Punjabi medium.
Yeah, yeah, I
Okay.
am from
So
Punjabi
when
background.
you were in school time, that time English was your subject. You learnt
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
English language.
Yes, yes. English was my subject, but I used to cheat a lot. I was very terrible at English and I used to fail a lot, many
Okay.
times. And
Okay.
because I didn't take interest in English, okay, I thought it is a very mm, unnecessary language. Why would I learn? Okay, I don't want to learn a vocabulary. I don't want to learn a vocabulary, grammar, anything. I didn't read anything actually. Yeah, and
What?
during my 12th, at that time I read, but I just you
Okay.
can say I mug up a lot. I
Okay.
used to mug up. Yeah,
So when
good at painting and drawing. So I am
Basic,
still. I didn't mention my hobbies because I have plethora hobbies. Okay, so
yeah,
I am good at art and craft, drawing and painting and all. So
I
my
also,
favorite
you know,
subject
man,
was
when I was in my school time, that time I also used to like painting. Yeah, I also used to like sketch and painting. So you can say
mm,
I had a good command to sketch and painting.
great, great. But you used to do that, but like now I am doing it. But for English purpose, I quit for a while these things.
Okay. Okay, so
Yeah,
since when
but
have you been practicing, man? Since when have you been learning English language? How long?
yeah, 2 days ago I have completed 8 months. 8 months.
8 months. Okay, so did you take any English class to learn English language to enhance your English
No,
communication? No. So how did
no.
you practice? How did you like learn English language?
I started listening a lot as well as speaking practice
Okay.
together. And after a couple of months, I started reading novels. Okay,
Okay.
and then after that, I started having conversation with the people on video call and yeah, video call. So that's how I am learning this language
Okay.
by
So
step and step.
you haven't taken any English class offline, online?
No, you tell me about you. Have you taken any classes from English area
Yeah,
or
I have.
any other applications?
No, actually, I have taken English class offline. 1 year ago, 1 year ago, I joined English class where 5 and 10 people used to come on that coaching centers where I learned about grammar.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, first I learned grammar.
Mm-hmm.
I learned grammar like how to make sentence, how to make a structure. Yeah, so this type
Mm-hmm.
of you can say activity I learned, and yeah, right now I'm
Mm-hmm.
able to speak because I have practiced a lot. That's why I'm able to speak. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
because if you have only grammar knowledge, then I think so you will be not able to speak. First of all, you have to practice every day. Minimum, you have to practice 1 year, 2 years. Then
Oh,
you will be able to speak fluently.
okay. Did you speak on did you learn only grammar or did you ever done there some did you ever do some speaking practice as well with the
Actually,
people
actually,
with
first time
students?
when I actually first time when I joined English class, that time my teacher taught me about only grammar, like how can you make sentence, how can you frame sentence. So yeah, my teacher taught me like everything about grammar, like what is the modals, what is the verb, what is the tense. So you can say because of my teacher, right now I'm able to speak, and right now I can make sentence. Yeah.
Mm,
So yeah, if you have
okay.
knowledge, you have grammar knowledge, then just you need to practice. You need to speak with co-learner. So you should
Mm-hmm.
find co-learner, and then you can practice with them.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I really appreciate you because you haven't taken any English class. Despite this, you are able to speak fluently.
Yes.
So I would like to those people who are living in village area and who are who are not able to take any English class like offline online. So they can, I think so, they can learn English through YouTube channel, or there are many platforms where they can
Mm-hmm.
improve their English communication skill. So would you
Mm-hmm.
like to say something about that people who are live in village area and they can't afford English class? So what should they do? Like, do you have any technique you can share with them?
I guess I would say there is a no need to join any class. You can see me. Okay, whatever I
Okay.
have learned
You
from
are example, ma'am. You are
YouTube.
example for those people.
YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have learned from YouTube only. Okay, so there
Okay.
is no need to pay anywhere. Okay, just try to watch as much as English content, and
Okay.
along with you have to speak as much as you can. That's how you will able to communicate with the different people in English language. So yeah.
Okay. And in if I talk about this day nowadays, like how do you practice, and like how many hour do you give to enhance your English communication? What's your what's your daily routine? Could you tell me something about your daily routine? Like how do you practice and how many hour do you practice every day?
How many hours I can't say, because whenever I get time, I just try to consume towards in English, my time
Okay.
towards English. So you
Yeah.
can say 30 minutes, 30 or 40 minutes. I have a I started, as I told you, I have started reading books. Okay. So
Okay.
I have a target. Okay. Till Raksha Bandhan, I have to complete this book. So I have uh, I have estimated, okay, how many pages I have to read like per day, so that I
Okay.
can complete before Raksha Bandhan. So
Okay. So
it's
you first
15 or 17 pages, okay, and I daily read, and then I watch a lot, very
okay.
different type of videos in English. Okay.
Okay. So first you learned grammar, or without learning grammar you started to speaking.
No, I don't know about grammar much. I don't know about much grammar.
Okay.
Yeah. I just started with listening.
Okay, listening. It
Yeah.
means you listen and you try to speak. You watch any conversation video and you try to speak.
Yeah.
So it's your method, it's your tactics which you apply to enhance
Yeah,
your English communication.
but on this journey I got to know we should know a little bit of grammar rules as well. So when I started my journey, I started with listening skills, listening
Okay.
and speaking. And after, you can say, 1 or 2 months, I started listening some how use models. That type
Okay.
of videos I have to I used to watch initially, but now I am not watching these type of videos because I don't have that much time. like i I have incorporated a reading practice, okay, and watching as much as I can in a day, okay, and apart from that I do audio practice and video call 30 minutes or 40 minutes, sometimes 30 minutes, not more than that.
So do you use any application to speaking? Because many people they are using application to speaking. So do you
Yeah.
use any application?
Yeah, there is a one application, AC Fluency, but we don't get serious learner. You can
Okay.
find very clumsy, very clingy people there
Sometimes
over there.
sometimes whenever like sometimes we try to connect to stand at that time you get like a bad people, sometimes you get good people, so it's depend on your luck, you know. Yeah, it's happened sometimes. That's why I use 2 and 3 apps. I use 2 and 3 apps to speaking. Yeah, because if you use one application, so one application give you only 20 minutes, 30 minutes. So it's not enough to
Mhm.
learn English language. Then you have to practice minimum 2 hour, 3 hour. Then you can be fluent in English language. But some people see,
Yeah.
practice only 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and they think like I can be fluent in English language, so it can't be happen. Minimum, you have to practice 2 hour, 3 hours every day. If you talk about my daily routine, when I get up in the morning time, so first I read book 30 and 1 hour. Even though I don't understand, despite even though I don't understand,
You
but I
don't
read.
able to you don't able to understand. Till now, how long have you been learning this language?
Actually, I have been learning English for 1 year. It has been 1 year. And I practice
Okay.
every day. I practice every day. I speak every day. I watch conversation video every day. So it's my
And
daily routine. It's a part of my life.
okay, and when I started my reading practice, that month was April. April. Okay, when I started my first book at that time, I was not able to understand very well. Okay,
Okay.
when I started my second book, third book, like gradually I'm able to understand each and everything. Like a very rare words I come across when I thought, okay, it is a very new and it is a repeating again and again, and I should like use in my communication skills. At that time, like sometime I stuck, otherwise I'm not. I don't stuck.
I have purchased two books. I want to show you. First book is The Magic of English. The Magic of Spoken English. This book has written by my teachers. My teacher's name is Sanjay sir. So I
Mhm.
have purchased this book, and second is like Half Girlfriend. You know very well, I think so. You have also.
I
Oh,
haven't read yet.
okay, but so I have, but it's a novels. It's a novel. So I read every day this book. Minimum 1 hour, minimum 30 minutes, 1 hour. Yeah, I try to read this book because if you read any book, then your mouth muscle will be ready to speak. That's why I read only. Yeah.
Okay.